Why do we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, the muscle helping us breathe, suddenly contracts. This makes the vocal cords close quickly, causing the hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, swallowing air, stress, or sudden temperature changes. Hiccups usually go away on their own after a few minutes, but holding your breath, drinking water, or swallowing sugar can help stop them. In rare cases, persistent hiccups may be a sign of a medical issue.